So I'm gonna go for the plain option, which is this. And then you have 3 of these screwdrivers. And again, this is giving me major Lego Education Tech Machine vibes, but that's expensive, and yeah. So here's the instructions. Wish me luck. Okay, it looks doable. So that's what the instructions look like. All right, here I go. Ready? Turn it on. Push it this way. Okay, there it goes. What is it? Say airplane. So we're playing with it now. There it is. And there's the train and also the car. I like it. I like that it has the powered part and the things can move compared to like Lego Tech Machines where you pay a lot and the pieces are awesome and the screwdriver is awesome, but you only get 4 screwdrivers, and for a class that's kind of difficult. So I like that this has the electrical part and things are powered and it can move. So yeah, if you want something to do with your kids, work on dexterity, fine motor skills. I don't think it's for 3-year-olds. I would say like more 5, 6. It's a good option.